This bird's just like looking at us.
Keep him there.
She's like, what are you doing to me?
Is he injured, bud?
I think he just pooped.
You scared him.
He's scared.
Come on, baby.
Come on, get on. There you go. Is he stuck or something, Bob?
I don't know. I should take him to Bev.
Do not take him to Bev.
Why not?
Because. Watch out, son.
Can I see him, Dad?
Put him down on the grass so at least he can.
So he gets eaten by something?
Do I? What do I do? I'm gonna hold him?
I don't know. No, you can't touch him.
No, put him down on the grass. Watch your step, Bob.
Don't fall.
Stay there.
You're gonna fall. I think the bird's gonna slingshot halfway across the ground here. That's weird.
Down on the grass so his mom can find him.
Okay, hold on. This is bird rescue.
Put him by the rock over there.
Should I put him in the grill, make it look like I just cooked some chicken, make a great video?
There you go. Cooking with Lake Thabai 44.
Put him on the rock so we can see if he's okay.
Right.
Whoa!
Keep going.